We got a nice thick layer of sealer on here. This is oil base. It ain't that latex stuff you get from Home Depot. This is quality stuff that we supply ourselves. Hey, welcome back to Michael's Paving. We're going to be seal coating this driveway. First, we're going to blow it off and trim out all the edges with the sealer. And then after that, it's free sealing from there. Some people see this as like a permanent fix. This is a seal job. It's only going to last 3-4 years. This is completely temporary, mostly cosmetic, preparing for summer, maybe a little bit better in the winter. That way the water doesn't get in the cracks. Now we'll seal coat this driveway. So we just finished seal coating. When this all dries, it'll all fade a matte black color. It's very glossy right now, but it's very wet. So when it all dries, it'll be matte black, smooth surface,